Our topic is simplifying expressions with rational exponents. When simplifying expressions with rational exponents, you should remember the laws of integral exponents. The rule is the same, however, you need to remember the rules in adding fractions. In adding a fraction, you can only add fractions if they are similar. Otherwise, you would change the similar fraction to similar fraction. So for laws of exponents, we have here product of a power, quotient of a power, power of a power. So let's try to solve some examples using these three laws. We have been given 3b raised to 1 half times b raised to 3 over 2. In this problem, you just need to multiply first the coefficients. 3 times 1 will give us 3. Next, we have here similar base, which is b. So copy b. And again, if you have a similar base, you just add their exponent. As you can see, the exponent can still be simplified. Since they are similar fraction, we can add their numerator. 1 plus 3 is 4. Copy the denominator. And then we can still simplify this one, which is equal to 2. So 3b squared. So this is your answer for the first example. Next, quotient of a power. 5 raised to 3 fourths over 5 raised to 1 fourth. So in this case, since we have a fraction bar, it means we're going to subtract this 1 fourth from 3 fourths. Equals, we have here similar base, which is 5. So again, copy first the exponent of your numerator minus the exponent on the denominator equals, they are similar fractions. Since they have the same denominator, we can now solve for the numerator. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 5 raised to 2. Then copy the denominator, 4. Then simplify 2 fourths, that is equal to 1 half. This is your answer for quotient of a power. Power of a power. Given n raised to 4 and raise it again to 3 over 2. In this case, you just need to multiply. If you will see a parenthesis, it means this exponent inside the parenthesis will be multiplied outside the exponent of the parenthesis. So this is n raised to 4 times 3 over 2 equals n. 4 times 3 will give you 12 over 2 equals, simplifying 12 over 2, n raised to 6. Okay, let's proceed to the next laws of exponents. Now, let's go with power of a product and power of a quotient. Example for power of a product is the same as distributing this exponent outside the parenthesis to the inside or to each exponent on our base. So we can write this one as equals a, copy first the exponent 3, then multiply it by 1 over 12. Next is b raised to 4, then also multiply it to 1 over 12. Equals, let's solve for this one. 3 times 1, that will give us a raised to 3 over 12. Then b, 4 times 1 is 4 over 12. Equals, now we can simplify 3 over 12 to 1/4. and then b. 4 over 12, this is 1/3. There you go. Power of a quotient. This is the same as power of product. We just also distribute this exponent outside the parentheses to each exponent in the inside of our parentheses. Again, copy first this one, a raised to 12, and then distribute 1 over 6 all over. We have here b raised to 6, and then distribute 1 over 6 equals a. 12 times 1, that is 12 over 6, over 6 times 1, 6 over 6. Then simplify a. 12 over 6 is 2. 6 over 6 is 1. No need to write 1 here. And this is your answer for power of a quotient example.